Hey everyone, today I am going to be doing my first update for my self-care project pan. This project pan consists of skincare, body care, and hair care. And I'm actually really excited about this update because I have multiple empties. I was not expecting that for this first update. I was maybe thinking I'd be able to use up one product, but I really surprised myself. I'm very happy with the progress and I get to roll some things in. So that's always fun. I love that part of a project pan. So I'm really excited that we can start it off that way. We are going to go in alphabetical order because this project, my prompt is the alphabet. So I have to do each letter of the alphabet and I cannot repeat a letter. So we'll kind of go into that when I roll things in. I'll talk about that more. Okay, so for letter A, I had picked this perfume. And this is the Aquilina Pink Sugar perfume. And as you can see, I think the color has definitely gone off on this. That's kind of why I want to use it up and why I put it into this project. It still, to me, smells good. And I love the scent. So I want to use it. I don't want to waste it. I want to use as much as I possibly can before I have to get rid of it. So this month, I didn't do great on this product in particular. I think I only used it 9 times total. Now, that is probably because I was also working on like a little mini sample, perfume sample from my sample project pan. So when I used that one up, then I started working on this. And same thing with this month. If you've seen my sample project pan updates, I rolled in another fragrance little mini sample. So once that's used up, then I'll go back to using this for this month. But with 9 uses, I barely made a dent, but I have like the teeniest little mark to show you guys. So here we go. The first mark is up here and then the second mark is like literally right below it. So not a whole lot of progress for this one, but it's okay. We just need to at least work on it. For the letter C, I had picked this Cetaphil body lotion. And this is not my favorite body lotion, so I actually didn't reach for it that often. I think I actually reached for this 9 times as well, so the same as the fragrance. And I just used it like after I shaved and used it all over my legs. I didn't love it on my hands. It kind of made my hands feel weird and sticky afterwards, and I didn't really like that. I did make some decent progress on here, so let me show you. This is where we had started and now we are here. So I used a little chunk up and hopefully I can continue with that progress, and then maybe this will take me 2 more months possibly to use this up completely. I don't want to waste it, so I definitely want to make sure that I am at least using it every now and then. Next up is the letter L, the Roche-Posay. Hopefully I'm saying that right. I'm probably not though. This is their acne treatment and I love this product, and I have used this so many times this month, like almost pretty much every day, day and night with this. But for some reason, my progress on this is like not much at all. Like I was really surprised when I went to remark this. I was like, wait a minute, that can't be right. I used this 55 times this past month. I have a feeling that there was some like up here that just hadn't settled when I made my first mark when I started this project, and that's why like there's not much now, because when I looked through the light, it didn't look like there was much of anything up here anymore. So I think now it's all settled. But let me just show you the teeniest bit of progress that I have. I literally put the mark right under it because that's literally where it's at. I don't know why there wasn't more progress than that, but there we go. At least I got to mark it somewhat. Still got a long way to go if that's the progress I'm gonna make with 55 uses, but we will see. For the letter M, I had put in this Mario Badescu serum, and this is their Rose Hips Nourishing Oil. Okay, it's oil, not a serum. And I was actually very surprised with the progress on this one. So my marking was maybe like a 3rd or 4th way down, so down here, and I actually managed to use this up completely. Like, wow, mind blown. Did not think that was gonna happen. But this did take me basically the entire full month to use up. I think I ended up only using this in the morning, so I used it once each day, and I used it 30 times to use up completely. So I was like so close, like 31 days in January, I used it 30 times. So pretty excited that I have this as an empty. So yay, I have our first empty of this project. I'm gonna go over what I'm rolling in at the end of going through the progress, and then kind of going in order of the alphabet that way. So we'll come back to what I'm going to replace that with. Next up is N, and I had picked this here, Not Your Mother's purple shampoo. And this I don't use every time I take a shower, so the progress on it is a little bit slower. I used it a total of 10 times this past month, and unfortunately I can't see through this, so I can't really mark it, but like just kind of feeling around, I have a feeling it's like about here-ish, maybe? That's my guess anyway. So without my scale and being able to weigh it, that's kind of my estimate of where I'm at. I'm sure this will still take me a couple of months to go through for sure. The letter T is up next, and I had rolled in this Tresemme product because this is something that I had been working on for a very long time before introducing this, and it just like was a never-ending product. And this is their all-in-one spray. Now, I actually finished this up this past month. Like, what? I was so shocked. I was not expecting that either. I used it a total of 21 times to finish it up completely from where it was at. Again, this one I couldn't see through, so there wasn't a way for me to really mark it as a starting point, but now it is officially done. Last product that I had introduced in this project is with the letter Y, and it was the Yes to Cucumbers toner. And this one I kind of knew was going to be used up by the end of the month because I know myself and I know that I go through toner very quickly. So here's where I was at when I first introduced it into this year's project, and I finished it up completely, so I used that much of it up. This product, same with the acne product, I use it day and night. So I use this a total of 35 times to use it up completely. So we have another empty. That is 3 empties for the first update. Now let's move into the products we are rolling in to replace those 3 empty products. We're gonna start with the letter B. I am rolling in another toner, and this is by Vanilla Co. And this one is their Dear Hydration Toner. And I put a mark on here for my starting point, and I'm pretty sure that either this will take me 2 months to go through, or I might even surprise myself and be able to use it up in this 1 month. I kind of think I won't make it quite there, but we'll see. So I'm going to show you the starting point mark real quick, because I have used this already previous to rolling it into this project. So here is the marking. So it is maybe like a third used up already, so we'll kind of see how much I can use up. I'm thinking maybe like a third a month is how this will go. But so this is what I will be rolling in for this month's use. Next, we're rolling in a product starts with the letter E, which is Eva NYC, and this is a curl cream. And I've actually really been loving this. I love the packaging, it's really pretty, but I actually really like the product. I think it works really well. I've used it in my hair last night, so this is kind of the effect that it gives my curls after using it. This is another one, unfortunately, though, that I can't see through it, so I can't show progress very well, but I did unscrew the cap on this to kind of like look down in it and see how much maybe I have used up already before introducing it into this project, and I'm thinking I'm about where the N is, so I'm about here. So I think I've used up maybe about this much product, and then have like about this much to go still. So we will see how this goes, but regardless, I've been enjoying using this, so I figured why not bring it into this project and maybe track my usage a little bit to see, you know, how much it takes me to use. Last product that I am introducing starts with the letter I. Now, I do want to quickly talk about this whole alphabet thing because I had a little bit of a hard time picking products to bring in because I realized, I was like, oh, I'm gonna pick this product and this product, that's what I want to work on for this. And then I realized that the letter had already been used. Like I had already put in a product for that letter in this project. So that, it kind of got me, but I'm kind of happy that I went with prompts because it kind of helps me have to choose something different. And maybe just explore and use different products in my collection. So I did choose this IT Cosmetics product to begin with the letter I. I wanted to choose a product that I was already kind of working on, and I think most of the products that I have in this project currently right now are going to take me a little bit to go through. Like I don't think any of them at this point, looking at them, are going to be done next update. So I kind of figured it was okay to roll this in because I think this can be done by next update, and then I always have one empty to show you and something to roll in. I don't know, for me personally it helps me stay motivated, and I feel like it's a little bit more interesting for you guys as well. So the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream is what I will be rolling in, and I'm going to show you kind of where I'm at. You can kind of see I am close to being done. Still have quite a bit of product like around the edges in the packaging, but I don't have any in the middle. So that is everything that wraps up my progress, my empties, and the new products that I'm rolling in this month for my self-care project pan. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more, and hit that notification bell for all of my future uploads. And let me know down below if you are doing a project pan. What kind of project pan are you doing? I'm doing 3 this year, so what kind of a project pan do you like to do? Are you working on any particular products? Let me know, and I will see you all later. I hope you all have a wonderful and beautiful rest of your day. Bye.